Fujikura presents the 36S high-quality cladding alignment splicer and the CT50 high-quality cleaver with connect-to-cleaver technology. The 36S is a cladding alignment type fiber fusion splicer with a movable V-groove. The 36S offers more accurate loss estimates than other cladding alignment splicers by using core image with warm splice imaging. The 36S makes centering splice sleeves easy. The new stage design ensures that the splice point is always at the center of the sleeve. Downtime is minimized with a high-capacity battery. The long-life electrodes are good for up to 5,000 splices, and replacing electrodes in the 36S requires no tools. The portable 36S is ruggedized for shock, rain, and dust resistance. The 36S carrying case features an expandable work tray. To improve splicing efficiency, Fujikura complements the 36S with the CT50 high-quality cleaver. The CT50 offers easy access and can accommodate longer strip fibers than previous models. The CT50 can cleave loaded fibers with a single action. Its blade can yield up to 60,000 single-fiber cleaves. To reduce downtime and operating costs, the CT50's fiber clamp and blade can easily be replaced by users in the field. And as an industry first, the durable CT50 can withstand severe shock from all directions, including drops up to 76 centimeters. The 36S and CT50 deliver improved efficiency powered by connect-to-cleaver and connect-to-splicer technology. The 36S and CT50 interface via wireless communication. To make work easier and more efficient, the 36S analyzes fiber cleave end shapes. When the current blade position is expended, it uses its wireless communication to signal the CT50 to automatically rotate its blade. The CT50 then signals the 36S to indicate that the blade rotation is complete. The 36S ensures that automatic blade rotations are appropriately timed by initiating them based on the frequency of bad cleaves. As a cleaver blade wears down from use, it inevitably begins to produce bad cleaves. As the blade incurs more wear, the bad cleaves occur more frequently. Once a number of bad cleaves have occurred in close succession, the 36S judges the blade to be worn and in need of rotation. It then signals the CT50 to automatically rotate the blade to a non-worn position. The 36S makes blade management easy by automatically logging every fiber cleave and tracking every blade position, from the first low position to the 16th high position. For easy reference, the CT50's blade life is displayed clearly on the 36S main screen. The Fujikura 36S splicer and CT50 cleaver work together to enable you to achieve optimal splice analysis and cleaving efficiency in your splicing applications.